Hey friends, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I created this crochet wig, U-Part wig out of butterfly locks that I ordered off of Amazon. I will be showing you how I install, how I prep my hair, and as well as where to purchase these locks if you want to try this look. We're going to jump straight into the tutorial on the supplies that you are going to need, and all of these items will be linked down in the description box for you to purchase. Jumping straight into the hair tutorial, this is what you're going to need: the oval part wig cap for crochet, and this one has combs in it. It has 3 in the front and 1 in the back. I'm going to apply it to my canvas head. This one is big head friendly because your girl got a watermelon size head, so this is a 24-inch canvas head, and I'm just placing it where I need it to be. I've already made my markings on how big my head is on this canvas head, so I can kind of gauge where everything is going to fall on my head. So starting from first getting the hair, taking it out of the package and just doing a quick look over the hair. It's selling as butterfly locks. That is the name that they have titled these locks, is butterfly locks. To me, they're not butterfly locks. This isn't what I would refer to as butterfly locks. For one, they're really thin. Most of the times when you do see butterfly locks, they're kind of thick. They do have the distressed look. To me, they're just like little poodle puffs on like when I do my daughter's poodle puffs on her hair, they just like poodle puffs to me. I am right now kind of going through my awkward stage on my TWA, so I've been wearing more wigs, and I would like to do more wigs like these where I don't have to rely on wearing a headband or a head wrap, because sometimes my job can be a pain in the ass as far as what I put on my hair. There is 12 locks in each pack, and I got a total of 6 packs. So you're talking about 72 locks. That's a pretty decent number of locks, but for some reason I just couldn't make it work. But luckily I had some extra locks on hand, so that was what I used to help fill it out. Maybe in the future I'll try not to like concentrate too much on putting locks on the very back and just kind of like start in the middle and just fill everything up forward, because I did try to concentrate more locks on the top because I knew I wanted those locks to kind of fall and cover up all the gaps. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep my natural hair for this style. I have short hair and I'm still unable to just like cornroll it straight back. So most of the times when I wear a wig, my hair is slicked down with some kind of gel just to keep it out of the way. Now my next issue was that my hair is color treated, and I didn't want my hair to be seen through the crochet cap because, of course, as you've seen, there are holes in the crochet cap. So I had to put on a black stocking cap to keep that covered up, as well as hold down, you know, my hair. And then I'm going to have to cut around my U-part wig because I wanted that to be my leave out. So I went in with some hair glue and pretty much just traced where my U-part part is. And this glue is going to pretty much hold my stocking cap to my hair once I cut out that leave out section. So I just zap it with the dryer and I try to wait for it to dry as much as possible. I definitely should have waited a little bit longer because the glue wasn't completely dry when I decided to go in and cut it, but I was being impatient and I was in a hurry, so yeah. When I received these, I kind of wanted to wear them like individual locks, though my hair is really short, so I was just trying to figure out a method of how I was going to do that. So I came up with doing a U-part wig. I think I came across someone who did it on Instagram. They made a U-part wig out of some locks, and I thought that was pretty interesting. So I was like, okay, well, let me try to give it a shot. Now I ran into some problems because, one, my hair is dyed a different color than the lock, and two, with my hair being really short, I figured it was going to be kind of difficult trying to perform this, you know, U-part wig and making it look good. So I ran into several problems, as you've seen in the tutorial. My frustration on trying to get this wig to work. I originally tried installing the crochet hair individually and just wrapping it around my hair because that would have helped cover up the color treated part, but it just was not, it was not working. Another problem I ran into is I ended up running out of hair. Ended up running out of locks. I messed up the 6 that I tried to do individually, so I had to throw those out. I'm really trying to get this to work. All right, so I felt like maybe I left too much out in the middle part, so I'm trying to like ease it over to being more of a side part, and I went ahead and just braided this down. Now, I didn't want to do this because you're going to be able to see my brown. My hair's not, you know, all black. So luckily I have some hair paint. It's called Temptation, and it's in the color brown. So I'm gonna shake it up and I'm just going to spray it, and then I'm going to just crochet the locks to this one braid that I left out. I decided not to do a straight part. I did a zigzag instead to kind of like give the like illusion that it's, you can't see everything. I guess that's what I'm trying to go for. So let's hope this works. Let's hope this works because I'm tired. All right, so it looks like it works. It looks like it's not as noticeable. So let's start crocheting in our locks, and we're gonna see what our end looks like. I'm gonna do my face up because I feel like with a beat face, we can pull off anything. Hopefully. So maybe I should let this dry and then we'll start crocheting it in. But yeah, this has been like a freaking roller coaster. I'm just So I ditched the individual way and just did the regular crochet way where I just crocheted to the braid, and this is pretty much what I am working with. The back still has a lot of gaps and I just don't have the fullness that I was hoping for, so I'm gonna have to pull it back a little bit, try to like cover that up. Go ahead and talk about this final review. My opinion about everything. Yeah, at first did not like the hair at all. I was just like, there's just no way I'm going to be able to make this look good. Like the hair is like super shiny. It's like really silky looking, and with locks, when you think of locks, you think of natural textured hair, because most people who have locks, they have this 4C natural textured hair. This hair doesn't feel textured at all. It feels like really like fine and just straight and silky and shiny. And that to me took away the, you know, the distressed look of locks. Now they do advertise it to be very neat, you know, clean locks. I will agree with that part. They are very neat. They are very clean, but when I want locks, I want distress. When you talk about butterfly locks, you're talking about distressed locks. Finally got it to work, and it looks really great on camera, but I feel like if I do a deep inspection of this wig, there are many flaws. Overall, the finished product, after everything is done, I'm able to style it. I feel like this is probably the only style I'll probably be able to do with this the way that this wig is made, just because I don't want you to be able to see at all the gaps that are going on in the back, and I'm pretty sure there's still some back there. I can't really see. The pack only comes with 12 locks in each pack, and they sent me 6 packs. It wasn't enough for me. I just don't feel like I have the fullness that I want, and that's mainly because these are so thin. I think if they were just a little bit thicker, I would have definitely had the fullness I wanted, and I wouldn't have had to like stretch my locks. Let's talk about the pros. The pros, the hair is very lightweight, super soft. I will say that. Very neat and clean locks. They are. So the quality that I was concerned for as far as these locks is that I just didn't like that they were super shiny. I think that's all I had to take away from this hairstyle. It was legit a struggle. Granted, it was also a struggle because this was my first time doing a U-Part wig. If you have a better way of doing it, by all means, like, leave tips down in the comments for me for another U-Part wig that I may try again. This isn't a complete fail to me, so I am willing to try again, just maybe with some different hair. If you do really like this look, if it's something that you would try and you can do better, by all means, I will leave the link down in the description bar for you guys to click on, and you can purchase them through Amazon. If you've been with us for this entire tutorial, we greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. We hope this look inspires you to try to want to do your own crochet, U-Part crochet wig, especially if you are a TWA. I thank you guys for joining us on another tutorial. Please let us know what you think. Hit the like button if you really do like this look, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed to Putting Up with the Pompons. We'll see y'all on another video. Please be safe and be blessed.